Did you know that one DNC violation can cost you $45,000? That's for each violation, for each call. Telephone Consumer Protection Act (TCPA) can cost you anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per violation. So if you don't know the phone laws, it's good to learn on them before you get on the phones, because one call, one mistake can put you out of business. Let me share with you guys a quick story about a agent that I met that thought he can just do it his own way or the highway. He actually lived in a major city, very ambitious. We'll just call him Tom. He was known for being persuasive and charming, and his strong drive to become the top agent wherever he worked. However, sometimes his ambition blinded him to ethical boundaries such as the Telephone Consumer Protection Act (TCPA) and the Do Not Call (DNC) laws. One unfortunate day, Tom came across a database of potential clients that seemed too good to be true. Ignoring the fact that he hadn't obtained their consent to call, he decided to employ automatic telemarketing calls to reach out to these prospects. These are called robocalls, which are illegal. Tom was convinced that his shortcut would lead to quick success and boosting his sales figures, but these regulation bodies like CMS, they're watching. The Attorney General is watching. These are all federal laws with severe consequences. His consequences were severe. Unbeknownst to him, one of these automated calls was made to a respected lawyer, just call him Mr. Johnson, who had a devoted career fighting against telemarketing, illegal spam calls. As a prominent advocate for consumers' rights, Mr. Johnson had been keeping a close eye on these types of violations and DNC laws. He knew if he caught an insurance agent catching up, trying to deceive or exploit the laws, he quickly moved to gather evidence against this agent Tom. The lawyer's findings spread through the city. It brought awareness to the city of other citizens who became also victims of abusive telemarketing practices, becoming a class action lawsuit. Now the insurance company employing Tom, upon discovering this unethical practice, immediately terminated his employment and his renewals. So the moral of the story is, your upline, your insurance company, is ultimately responsible for your mistakes, and this can be in the millions. As for the victims, they receive compensation for the trouble.